Very, very common thing to use to take advantage of something. And this phrase, to take advantage of something, means to take the most of something, to take the maximum of something, to exploit something. Let's try using it in a sentence to see what that means. Okay. Mary is always busy with her job, so she doesn't have time to do things around the house like clean or go shopping, many little things throughout the year. She doesn't do them because of her busy schedule. By the way, these little things that you do around, not around the house, but little projects that you have to do, little things like going to the post office or going shopping or things like that, are called running errands. Errands is what that is. So let's see. Now, Mary has a vacation next week. Let's make a what she going to do question next week. What? What is she? What is she going to? What is she? What's she? What's she? What's she going to? What's she gonna do next week? What is she going to do next week? What's she gonna do next week? What is she going to do next week during her vacation? What is she going to do next week during her vacation? Now, she has to get the most from her vacation because usually she's very busy. So she has to get the maximum from her vacation. She is going to take advantage of her vacation. That means do the most, get the maximum from her vacation. Take the most from her vacation. Let's ask a how take advantage of her vacation question. How going to take advantage? How get the most? How take the maximum? How is she going to take advantage? How is she going to? How is she gonna? How is she gonna take advantage? How is she gonna take advantage of her vacation? How is she going to take advantage of her vacation? How is she going to take advantage of her vacation? Okay, and let's answer this how question with the preposition by plus an ing verb. By running errands. Running errands. Running errands is doing all those little things, going to the post office, going shopping, going to the dry cleaner. This is running errands. She's going to take advantage of her vacation. She's going to take advantage of her vacation. She's going to take advantage of her vacation by running errands. She's going to take advantage of her vacation by running errands. Let's try another example of how to use this phrase to take advantage of something. Taking advantage of something can be negative. It's used very frequently in a negative way. If you take advantage of a person, taking the most from a person, taking the maximum from a person, that's something bad usually. It's a bad thing that you're doing to them. Let's try an example of taking advantage of a person to see how it's bad. Okay, now here's a situation. Recently, Mary won the lottery and she became very rich. Suddenly, she became very popular with her friends and family. Maybe she wasn't before, but now she is because she has money. And now, Mary is poor again. Let's make a how Mary become poor question. How did she? How did she become? How did she become poor again? How did she become poor again? Let's answer, here's the answer with because. Because her family took the maximum from her. Her friends took the maximum from her. They took everything from her. In this situation, you would say they took advantage of her. They took advantage of her. She became poor again because her family and friends took advantage of her. They took the maximum. They took everything from her. She became poor again because her family took advantage of her. Okay, let's try one more example using take advantage of. Here is one more situation. Mark is getting a very bad grade in his math class, but the teacher has provided an opportunity for people who are getting bad grades to do something extra to make their grade better. It isn't mandatory, it isn't obligatory that you have to do this extra assignment, but you can if you want to improve your grade. So you can use take advantage for opportunities. You can take it, this is an opportunity. Okay, so he doesn't have to do it, but it's a good opportunity. It's a good chance. He can take advantage of the opportunity. So let's see. Let's make a how Mark going to improve his grades question. How? How is he? How is he? How is he? How is he? How is he going to? How is he gonna? How's he going to improve? How's he going to improve his grades? How's he going to improve his grades? Okay, and the answer is by taking advantage of the extra opportunity, because you take advantage of opportunities. He's going to improve his grades by taking advantage of the teacher's extra offer. That's called extra credit, by the way. That's a little bit of classroom vocabulary. Okay. Let's move on to our next take phrase here, which is to take something for granted.